If your eyes are closed, let's blink them open. And we're going to bring the fingers together here. Let me step up closer so you can see this position. So the fingertips are all pressing together. And as you do that, just one, make sure the shoulders don't creep up to the ears. They like to do that sometimes, right? And as you feel that pressure between the fingers, think about your elbows and your shoulders growing wider apart. So that little press in to grow more expansive across the upper body. Stay a little closer here for a second. Okay, so this is the first part of the movement. Then we're going to come into that prayer. So fingers or palms pressed together and shoot your prayer forward. Okay, and then you're going to open the arms, bring them forward so palms are flat, and then gather back into that first position, fingertips pressed together. So I'm going to take those four parts. So prayer, press forward and open and forward and back in. Okay, now we're going to weave a breath in with that, and then we'll add a little something extra to it in just a moment. Okay, let me think about this for a second. Let's inhale here. So this is going to be our inhale kind of preparatory position. Breathing in. We're going to exhale, press the palms forward, prayer forward. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, bring your prayer forward. And then hands back to the heart. So again, let me just regroup myself here. So let's breathe in here. Exhale, press forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, forward. Inhale in. Exhale, forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, forward. There we go. Inhale, hands in. Exhale, press forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come to center, pause. Okay, we're going to add a little head rotation with it this time. So see if we can get all the pieces together, if I can get all the pieces together, right? Okay, so there's that little pressure of the fingers, elbows grow wide, collarbones wide. Again, let's breathe in here. Exhale, palms forward. Inhale, open, look to the right, out beyond your thumb. Exhale, forward, again, gazing beyond the thumbs. Inhale, fingers back to the chest. Again, exhale, press forward, looking beyond your thumbs. Inhale, open, look left beyond your thumb. Exhale, forward. Inhale, hands in. Do that one more time each way. Exhale, press forward, gazing beyond the thumbs. Inhale, open, look right. Exhale, forward. Inhale, hands in. Last time to the other side. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back to center. And from here, just release your arms down. Pause for a moment, maybe closing your eyes, taking a deep breath. Good. So good for our brains, our beautiful, amazing brains.